Alrighty, hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm doing like a little review slash mini nail video for you guys. So as you know, I love Dollar Tree and I went up in there and collected, okay? Look at all these beautiful shapes, okay? These are matte Coffin nails. I don't think it gets any better. Like $1, y'all, you cannot, like, it's $1. You can't do any better. And I don't know which one I want to do, but I'm doing. All right, so this one you see in the back, I got this at Ross. It was $3, $2.99, and these are some nice nails, like top notch. I would say like those are, I'm saving that for like maybe Christmas special occasion type of vibes with that. These are my custom order ones. I'm gonna do a video on them soon. Did wear them for my birthday, but I did not get a video for you guys, so I'm gonna reapply them and get you guys right with a video. And then LA colors, I picked me up a whole bunch of these LA color ones. They got a new look, I guess. Y'all know I like marble. That was the main reason I got it. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna pick one to do and prep my nails and get right for you guys. Alrighty, so once you open the pack, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go with this. They're all nice sets. Let me get that away. They're all nice sets, so I'm gonna just stick with this one. And y'all know me, I do not like them long, but these are super cute. Super, super, super cute. Okay, one thing I'm noticing like already is they do not have, normally Sassy+Chic, they be having the nail numbers on it, but I guess not today. I guess they don't have it on it today, so I'm gonna figure out which ones fit me and yeah, go from there. Alrighty, so I figured out which nails go best with my hands. So I'm just trying to clean them up right now. I don't know if you guys peeped my new area slash background. Got my kente cloth, you know. But I'm just prepping my nails, or just really making sure that I have them filed down nice and good, because when you have these type of shapes, you want to make sure your real nail doesn't show in the background. And the method that I'm going to use is like each finger. So I want to do one pinky, I'll do the other pinky type of thing. But these nails are super soft, nice matte. One thing about matte is that you cannot get the nail glue on top because it will show. Since it's matte, it's gonna like show a little glossy area, and you don't want that. So just be really, really careful and mindful about that. Alrighty, so now that I'm done, I'm going to just file down the tops that are a little rigid, that have that little hump or bump, whatever you want to call it, and just smooth those out to get that out of the way and to make sure that the nails is just smooth. Alrighty, so this is the final look. I did get a little nail glue on one of the nails, but it's alright. They look great, nice and soft, smooth matte nails. Yeah, that's the one. But other than that, y'all already know how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a blessed one.